Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about three crypto news that happened in the last 24 hours. The first one would be Bitcoin's flash crash, the second one would be police just backed a major crypto bill, and the third one is Texas taking over the Federal Reserve. By the way, welcome to my channel, Alex Simex Crypto channel. Make sure you subscribe because I upload daily news every single day. So let's dive into what's been happening in the crypto world for the last 24 hours, starting with Bitcoin. By the way, don't get focused on my bad haircut, focus on crypto news. Okay, Bitcoin. We saw some serious action yesterday. BTC dropped from around 65,700 down to 63,600,000 in about just 7 hours. That's over $2,000 gone in just one day, and it was honestly pretty fast. Right now it's in about $64,000, and it is about 1.6 drop in just one day. Of course, that liquidated $87 million in Bitcoin positions and about $312 million across the whole crypto market. So it is a drop, but it doesn't change anything yet. Most of that were people who bet on prices going up, of course, and they got burned, they lost. What caused it? Again, two things. First would be that oil pulled back after hitting $100 a barrel, which of course threw off the inflation trade. The second would be two-year treasury yield climbed above 4.3%, which cuts pressure on risk assets like crypto or stocks or whatever. So these were the two things that influenced why the Bitcoin dropped, unfortunately. On the other side, if you bet that this was gonna happen, you of course earned your money. By the way, this is not a channel of creating fake hype or giving you financial advices. This is only a channel in which I'm stating the facts and giving you the important news regarding the crypto world, so you can then by your own yourself decide what kind of financial decision you're gonna make based on the real facts and real news. Now let's go to the second news before I continue mumbling. The second news would be, again, Clarity Act. They just got surprising endorsement, I would say. Fraternal Order of Police, which represents, I think, around 380 or 382,000 officers, and they are now supporting the bill. This is actually a big deal because they opposed it back in April, so lawmakers added some safeguards for criminal investigations and asset seizures which address their concerns. So they're on board now. You decide whether it's good or bad news. But of course, there is also a catch. Like always in my videos, 7 Senate Democrats still reject the latest draft. They want more work on ethics provisions, like I said last time, and consumer protections. So while the police support, on the other side, some people are against it. Now let's go to the next news, and it is Texas Blockchain Council that just sued the Federal Reserve. Yeah, you heard it right. I'm going to repeat it again. Texas Blockchain Council just sued a Federal Reserve. They're trying to block the Fed from joining a global banking network called BIS. Interesting name, by the way. And the council argued this threatens American sovereignty and the Texas crypto industry, which in a way I would say they're right. Interestingly, they won before. In 2023, they sued the Department of Energy over a crypto mining data request, and they actually won. So who knows? Maybe they will do it again. If they will, it will be a big thing, of course. One more important thing that is worth mentioning is the Fidelity. This is the asset manager with $7.1 trillion. I repeat, $7.1 trillion under management, and is now publicly calling on the Senate to pass the Clarity Act. I would say that's a huge thing. The establishment is getting loud, so that is it. And one more thing, a whale just opened a $38 million massive Bitcoin long position at 64,469. Hopefully I didn't mess, 64,469 with 40x leverage. They're currently down about $260,000, but they set buy orders between $63,500 and $63,674 to add more. So they're betting on a bounce, I would say. That was it. That was a daily snapshot. Most important news in the last 24 hours in the crypto world. Subscribe to my channel. No hype, just pure facts, just important news so you can get your right decision with the right information. Subscribe, press a like if you got any value, and I see you in the next video. Bye.